Good morning, students of class 4th. I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please take out your Wordsworth English Reader book and turn to page number 82 as I'll be continuing with the exercises of lesson 9 Unusual Friends. Students, please take out your Wordsworth English Reader book and turn to page number 82 as I'll be continuing with the exercises of lesson 9 Unusual Friends. Students, in my last video I had explained and done the language structure exercise B on analogy, and I had explained analogies with some more examples, and today I'm going to start with the Grammarly exercise, and today our exercise is based on conjunctions. All of us know that conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions are joining words. बेटा conjunction को joining words कहा जाता है. Why they are known as joining words? Because they join words, phrases and sentences. And some conjunctions are or, and, but, because, yet, therefore, when. These are all conjunctions. Now, again, conjunctions are joining words. They join two sentences, words और phrases, है ना. हम दो words को conjunction से join करते हैं, हम दो sentences को conjunction से join करते हैं, या दो phrases को भी हम conjunction से join करते हैं. So conjunctions are known as joining words. Now, today students, we are going to learn about yet, while and unless. These are also three conjunctions. So, yet connects opposite ideas. Yet connects opposite ideas or actions. Now बेटा, कोई भी दो opposite ideas हो या opposite actions हो, उनको कौन सा conjunction connect करता है? Yet. Now, for example, Meena was late, yet she was walking. Meena was late, yet she was walking slowly. Now, we have joined the two sentences. Meena was late and she was walking slowly with the. Now we have joined two sentences. Meena was late and she was walking slowly with the conjunction yet. Now, yet हम कब यूज करते हैं? Now Meena was late, है ना, and she was walking slowly. ये दो sentences हैं जिनके जो ideas हैं एकदम opposite है, action एकदम opposite है कि वो late हो रही थी but फिर भी वो slow चल रही थी. If somebody is getting late, the person should walk slowly, isn't it? But यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि Meena was late, yet she was walking slowly. कि वो लेट होने के बाद भी बेटा वो स्लो चल रही थी. तो these are opposite actions, है ना. Now, the next example is the man was old, yet he was active, है ना. Another example कि the man was old, है ना. Generally old people are not very active, but here कि the man was old yet he was active, है ना. ये एकदम opposite idea है ना कि old people they are not very active, but जो yet को हम कब यूज करते हैं, जब हम इन दो ऑपोजिट आइडियाज या दो ऑपोजिट एक्शन को ज्वाइन आपस में करते हैं. सो yet कनेक्ट्स ऑपोजिट आइडियाज और एक्शन, है ना. ये आपको याद रखना है कि जो एकदम ऑपोजिट एक्शन हो रहा है, ऑपोजिट आइडिया हो रहा है, उसको हम किस कंजक्शन से बेटा ज्वाइन करेंगे, yet से. फाइन ना. अभी हमने yet के बारे में पढ़ा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट while. नेक्स्ट वाला जो कंजक्शन है दैट इज while. नाउ while, what is the meaning of while? Means during the time that or at the same time. While means during the time that or at the same time. Now while हम कब यूज करते हैं, ड्यूरिंग द टाइम दैट, है ना, किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे, या एट द सेम टाइम, है ना. I was eating while I was talking on the phone, है ना, कि उसी समय मैं खाना भी, I was eating, मैं खा भी रही थी एंड मैं फोन पे भी बात कर रही थी. तो दो एक्शन साइमल्टेनियसली, मतलब एक एक्शन करते हुए ही हम दूसरा एक्शन कर रहे हैं, तो कौन सा हम यूज करेंगे, while. फाइन. नाउ एग्जाम्पल, I saw Vikas while now I saw Vikas while I was driving. Now in this sentence I have used while कि I saw Vikas, है ना, मतलब मैंने विकास को कब देखा, एट द सेम टाइम while I was driving, कि when I was driving. So I saw विकास while I was driving at the same time, है ना, उस समय, है ना, during the time that and at the same time, यहाँ पे while, है ना. So हम while कब यूज करते हैं बेटा, जब हमको कोई भी दो चीजों को एट द सेम टाइम दिखाना होता है, और ड्यूरिंग द टाइम दैट. फाइन. नाउ वी हैव रेड अबाउट yet and while. नाउ I am going to explain about unless. Now, the third conjunction which we are going to talk now is about unless. Unless means only if. Unless means only if. कंडीशन लगी हुई है बेटा, only if, है ना, जहां पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाउ ड्यू टू कोरोना, है ना, so everyone, the students, the senior students, when they are coming to school, so we are telling them come to school unless you have a सैनिटाइजर विथ यू, है ना. कंडीशन लगी कि इफ यू हैव द सैनिटाइजर देन ओनली यू कम टू स्कूल, है ना. सो ओनली इफ, है ना, you will be allowed to come unless you have a sanitizer. That means only if, है ना. Now, example, you cannot succeed unless you work hard. Now, there is a condition. You cannot succeed unless you work hard, है ना, कि आप succeed नहीं कर सकते हो जब तक कि आप hard work ना करोगे. तो there is a you cannot succeed unless you work hard. Fine. Now, you cannot succeed unless you work hard. Means that only if you work hard, then only you will succeed. So this is a condition. You need to keep this in mind कि यहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपको condition रखनी है वहाँ पे आप only if, है ना. So unless. Fine. So now students, I'm going to start with exercise A of conjunctions. Please open your books to page number 83. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks using suitable conjunctions. Fill in the blanks using suitable conjunctions. I sent him and email dash he didn't respond. Fine. Now, I sent him an email dash he didn't respond. Students, now over here we need to fill in the blank with a suitable conjunction. So, I sent him an email dash he didn't respond. So, over here we will use but. I sent him an email but he didn't respond. So, in the students we will use but because यहाँ पे the clause दिया हुआ है कि मतलब I sent him but he didn't respond. So, we will use the conjunction but. Fine. कि मैंने तो भेजा लेकिन उसने respond नहीं किया. So, over here we have used but. Fine. So, I sent him an email but he didn't respond. Write but in the first line. Now, the second one. You can't get a job dash you have experience. Now, there is a condition. Now there is a condition given, है ना. जब condition है, you can't get a job dash you have experience. Now condition is there that only you will get the job only if you have एक्सपीरियंस। एंड ओनली इफ के लिए हम कौन सा कंजक्शन बेटा यूज करेंगे? अनलेस। सो यू कांट get a job unless you have experience. So there is a condition that if you have experience, then only you will get the job. The only if means unless. So when condition is there, you will use unless. So you can't get a job unless you have experience. Now, I hope all of you have done the first and second one. The first one again I am repeating. I sent him an email but he didn't respond. The second one, you can't get a job unless you have experience. Now the third one, listen to the story carefully dash answer the given questions. Now listen to the story dash answer the given questions. This is the third one. Listen to the story dash answer the given questions. So first you need to listen to the story and after that you need to answer the questions. So we will be using the conjunction then. Listen to the story carefully, then answer the questions. So please write then in the third one. Fine. Now I'm going to erase this if you have written the first three sentences, and then I'll be writing the fourth one. The first one, again I'm repeating, I sent him an email but he didn't respond. The second one, you can't get a job unless you have experience. Third one, listen to the story carefully, then answer the given questions. So I hope all of you have done the three sentences of exercise A. Now I'm going to erase them and write the fourth one. Now the fourth one. He is 73 dash he swims regularly. Now the fourth one is he is 73 dash he swims regularly. Now this are two opposite ideas, है ना, कि 73 years old still he swims regularly. तो बेटा दो opposite idea, तो जब opposite idea है तो हमने कौन सा conjunction use करना है? YET yet. So he is 73 yet he swims regularly. So please write YET yet in the fourth one. He is 73 yet he swims regularly. Now the fifth one, opposite ideas या opposite actions को हम किससे join करेंगे बेटा? Yet से. But yet ये हम कब use करते हैं? जब हमको opposite ideas को join करना होता है. Now the fifth one, would you like cake dash biscuits with your coffee? Now, would you like cake dash biscuits with your coffee? Now, would you like cake dash biscuits with your coffee? Now, here you need to choose between cake or biscuits, है ना? So, where there is a choice, you will use the conjunction or, or. So, would you like cake or biscuits with your coffee? That means कि either you take cake और यू टेक बिस्किट्स, दोनों में से आपको एक को ही लेना है ना? वुड यू लाइक केक और बिस्किट्स विथ योर कॉफी? आज बेटा जब चॉइस हो तो आप केक और बिस्किट्स करो, बट हम इसमें और अगर आप दोनों यहाँ पे लुक, वुड यू लाइक केक और बिस्किट्स, जहां आप केक और बिस्किट्स के बीच में चॉइस दे रहे हो, है ना? बट यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट वुड यू लाइक केक एंड बिस्किट्स विथ योर कॉफी. हम एंड भी लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे आप और भी यूज कर सकते हो एंड भी. इफ यू वांट टू सर्व बोथ केक एंड बिस्किट्स, अगर दोनों चीज देनी है तब हम एंड भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो दिस सेंटेंस कैन बी रिटर्न, वी कैन यूज एंड ऑल्सो, है ना? वुड यू लाइक cake and biscuits with your coffee. Now, हम इसमें और करके भी कर सकते हैं और एंड को भी. और हम कब करेंगे? जब हमें केक और बिस्किट में से किसी एक चीज को हमें चूज करना है ना. वुड यू लाइक, जब हम किसी से पूछ रहे हैं कि इधर यू टेक केक और बिस्किट्स, व्हेन देयर इज अ चॉइस, तब हम और यूज करेंगे. बट अगर आप केक और बिस्किट दोनों ही देना चाहते हो तो आप एंड यूज करोगे. वुड यू लाइक केक एंड बिस्किट विथ योर कॉफी? फाइन. तो आपको ये देखना है, वुड यू लाइक केक एंड बिस्किट विथ योर कॉफी, डिपेंडिंग आपको क्या बोलना. अगर आप केक और बिस्किट दोनों, आप किसी से पूछ रहे हो कि दोनों आपको कॉफी के साथ चाहिए, तब आप एंड यूज करोगे. अगर आप किसी को चॉइस दे रहे हो कि केक और बिस्किट में से आपको कोई एक चूज करना है, तब आप और यूज करोगे. सो बोथ द कंजक्शंस कैन बी यूज्ड इन द सेंटेंस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द मीनिंग. वेयर यू आर गिविंग अ चॉइस यू विल यूज और जहां आप अगर दोनों ही, यू आर आस्किंग समवन की केक एंड बिस्किट्स, है ना, आप दोनों देना चाहते हो, तब वहां पे आप एंड यूज करोगे. फाइन. Now, I hope if you write or, that's also correct, and if you write and, that's also correct. Fine. Now I'm going to erase this, children, and write the sixth one. तो आपके ऊपर है, either you use and or in the fifth sentence, because both are correct. It depends upon what you want to ask. अगर आप दोनों देना चाहते हो तो आप and use करो, and if you want to give the other person a choice, then you will use or. Now, the sixth one. Dash. I was talking to Samir. He asked about you twice. Now, here, dash, I was talking to Samir. He asked about you twice. Now, you see that you want to show that at the same time, when the person was talking to Sameer, he asked about you. तो something which is happening, जो आपको कुछ भी बताना है कि at the same time हो रहा है, तो आप क्या यूज करोगे? While I was talking to Sameer, he asked about you. मतलब यहाँ पे आप सेम टाइम या at that time, दोनों में से आप कोई भी मत के लिए ड्यूरिंग द टाइम, है ना? While I was talking to Sameer, है ना? While मतलब at that time only or at the same time when the person was talking, he asked about you. तो हम कौन सा कंजक्शन बेटा यूज करेंगे? While, है ना? So while I was talking to Sameer, he asked about you twice. Here, during that time or for same time, we use the conjunction while. So please write while in the sixth blank, and please ensure that your W should be capital as you are starting a sentence. Now, the seventh one. The guards do not allow you dash you show them the entry ticket. Now, here the guards do not allow you dash you show them the entry ticket. There is a condition लगी हुई है कि ऐसा होगा, मतलब only if, है ना? only if वाली condition है कि only if अगर आप दिखाओगे तभी वो आपको अंदर अलाउ करेंगे. So there is a condition. So where you want to need only if, जहाँ आप यूज करना चाहोगे, where there is a condition, तो आप क्या यूज करोगे? Unless. Which conjunction you will use? Unless. So now the sentence will be, the guards do not allow you unless you show them the entry ticket. The guards do not allow you unless you show them the entry ticket. There is a condition that only if you show, when you show the entry ticket, then only you will be allowed to enter. So only if वाली जब condition है तो हम कौन सा conjunction use करेंगे बेटा? Unless. Now, I hope all of you have written, students. Now again I'm reading, then I'll be erasing the sixth one. While I was talking to Sameer, at the same time, he asked about you. तो while हमने use किया because कहीं भी जहाँ हमको during that time और same time show करना होता है, so we'll be using the conjunction one. And the seventh one, the guards do not allow you unless you show them the entry ticket. Now there's a condition दी हुई है कि only when you show the ticket, then only you will be allowed to enter. So unless, only if के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Unless. Now, I'm going to erase these sentences and write the eighth one. Now the eighth one. Sudha overate chips dash she was watching television. Now, सुधा ओवरएट मतलब ओवर ईटिंग करना, ज्यादा खा लेना. सुधा ओवरएट चिप्स डैश शी वॉज वॉचिंग टेलीविजन. सो यहाँ पे मतलब एट द सेम टाइम वो साइमल्टेनियसली जो एक्शंस हो रहे थे, शी वॉज ईटिंग द चिप्स एंड watching the television. So while watching the television, she overate the chips. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा वाला बेटा आएगा? That at the same time. So when you want to show the same time, you will be using the conjunction while. So Sudha overate chips while she was watching television. So please write while in the 8th blank. Sudha overate chips while she was watching television. Fine. Now the 9th one. Padam is overweight. Overweight means excess. Dash. He continues to eat lots of cakes and chocolates. Now, Padam is overweight, है ना? He has got more weight. Dash he continues to eat lots of cakes and chocolates. अब यहाँ पे दो opposite action है. जो overweight है उसको तो नहीं खाना चाहिए, but उसके बाद भी वो खाता है. Opposite ideas आप दिखा रहे हो, तो हम कौन सा conjunction use करेंगे? Yet. So Padam is overweight, yet he continues to eat lots of cakes and chocolates. Now the last one, the 10th one. He couldn't attend the workshop dash the bus arrived late. Now the 10th one, he couldn't attend the workshop. Dash the bus arrived late. Now you need to give a reason. जहाँ हमको reason देना है बेटा कि क्यों वो workshop attend नहीं कर पाया, तो वहाँ पे हम because use करेंगे. He couldn't attend the workshop because the bus arrived late. Now we have given the reason कि why he couldn't attend the workshop, because the bus arrived late. So students, with this I have finished exercise A of Grammarly based on conjunctions. I hope all of you have completed the 10 sentences with suitable conjunctions. That's all for today, students. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.